Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels black screen not showing problem. See, this is a problem, then let's solve this problem. Okay, let's start the video. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Now scroll down and tap one apps. Find the Instagram apps here or tap on the search icon. Now search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage and clear cache and clear data. Now tap on force stop and OK. Now scroll up and tap on permission. Now all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Now search icon and search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your device. Now go to your Instagram apps. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.